Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove class from Google Classroom. So let's have a look now. Sign into your Google Classroom. Click on the class you want to remove from the list of your enrolled classes. Once you are in the class, click on these three dots. Look for an option similar to Unenroll or Leave class. Click on this option to remove yourself from the class. After that, you will be removed from the class and it will no longer appear on your Google Classroom dashboard. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.